Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Charge 3 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working for any reason, maybe it's not connecting to your phone, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or anything like that, not responding, stuff like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. If you can't get it fixed and you decide you want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and that I recommend. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of it and all the settings, just so you can set this up like it's a brand new speaker you're taking out of the box. We can go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do. We just need to first of all make sure our speaker is turned on. And once our speaker is on, we're just going to find this volume up button and the play button and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, at least, the speaker will then turn off and then reboot back into its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker.